Hi, I'm Charlene Bauer, and I've been a performance team member for BFGoodrich Tires for over 6 years. They asked me to do a garage tour for you, but we haven't been on lockdown long enough for me to let you out there yet. It's a little out of control. So I'm going to show you around my office, which is where I do most of my work anyways. And then I'm going to take you on a field trip to where we do more work. This is my desk setup that I work at every day when I'm in the office. It was made for me by somebody very special. It's powder coated red, brushed aluminum, big wheels on it, shake weight that I've never used. Don't even know why it's there, but that's that. And then on the top of all of our desks is the Bauer Motorsports Media logo. All the desks looks like this. They're really cool. Not all the desks have an awesome RC car on it from BFG, but this one does. On the wall here, we have our top 10 groups for the last 4 years. These are girls that are part of our Ladies Off-Road Challenge. And then we have one of our shadow boxes here from our top 10 that was a lot of fun. Over on this wall, I have from 2019 all the group shots of all the ladies that joined into our trail training classes as we went around the country. Of course, my corner office has a view with trailer options and weed growth. On this wall, I have another shadow box that fell off, and I can't quite figure out how to get it back up yet, but there's that one. These are really cool. These are gifts that I've given out at our Ladies Off-Road Network conventions as I have our motivational speeches. A picture of my dad and I at the Off-Road Motorsports Hall of Fame, two ATC 70s, a picture of my family. I think I was in high school when we were in Moab. Our Bauer Power Hour logo, and of course a picture of why I work. Let's get back to the beaches, right? Down here is some awards. We have the Undertaker Marathon finisher, a Rally Venture second place, a Rebel Rally first place. The big missing one right now is actually from the King of the Hammers and doing the Backdoor Challenge finisher. The 50th anniversary of the Baja 1000, we did a big program there. Over on this side is the 2 Off-Road Motorsports Hall of Fame certificates, and then of course, thankfully, the winners' badges for those 2 impacts. Part of the SEMA Business Women's Network group. And then we've done a lot of really cool stuff with the Fab School, so there's a couple things there. Down here, oh, there went oil. Down here is a Griffin collector set of hats, since I've been at every single one of the King of the Hammers. And then a collector set of Off-Road Motorsports Hall of Fame cups, the Mint 400 cups, and a big thank you to BFGoodrich Tires and Warren, who've always supported me in what I've been doing. So this is just some of the fun stuff that I've collected along the way. Now we'll move into the green screen room. There's been a lot of big off-roaders that have been in front of this green screen. And look at how fun it is. We can go here, we can go there, we can go here, we can go there. Where do you want to go? And in our last office, I'll just show you the wall really fast because it is cool. It's covered with BFG posters that I took the pictures for. And this is the status of my help these days. This is Piston. Alright, welcome to Frankie. This is not only my daily driver for the most part, but it's also a vehicle that I teach off of all the time. You've seen it probably in a lot of videos, in a lot of pictures, and well, here we are. Time to pull in. Ooh! And look at that. They have the bay already open and ready for me. This is where I've been doing a lot of the video shoots for Bauer Academy. We're at Flying High today. You've probably seen them on the garage rehab. Yeah. And they've been super kind to let us use part of their bays. Today what I'm actually doing is some behind the scenes short shoots for ads. That's what this looks like. Kind of entertaining for sure. And speaking of behind the scenes, this is Gabe, who's been doing all the video for me, and the Craigslist account that you'll also be on a lot of our episodes. So there's all kinds of fun going on out here. Alright, we're at our next stop, which is where my second office is. Not actually my office, but my office. Well, you'll see. All right, we made it inside. This is a hidden secret. It's the Arizona RV Salvage. It's just like Goodwill for everything RVs, and they ship out daily. So if you need something for your RV, check it out. Well, we made it into the backyard. This is what I wanted to show you. This is my other office that I use while I'm on tour and while I'm on the road coming to events to see you. I'll take you inside, which it is a little bit of a mess right now because we're working on it. We're doing a lot of heavy lifting work, but normally this would be my desk right here at the table, or of course in the driver's seat. Honk honk! The two most important things with tires is inflation and rotation, and today's project is rotating and getting them up and ready to rock. Yes, I've changed a lot of tires, but I did not need to do these. I hope this was a fun little glimpse of where I do all my work, and we're gonna keep working and keep getting everything ready so that I can come see you at the end of the year. But in the meantime, this did give me a little bit of motivation to go out and clean up the garage, so maybe you'll see me before then, and I'll show you some other cool stuff.